Hello my friends! Today we're gonna learn letter M. How it sounds, how it looks like, how can we write it, and some few words about letter M. Are you ready? Let's start. That's M. Sounds like How can we write M? Start from up to down straight line, then go up again to make a sloping line to the middle, and then up to the right side, and then down, 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 straight line. That's capital. Let's write small m. Straight line from up to down, go up again, round to down, and then up again, and make another round to down. That's M. It sounds like M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle. M is for mask. Mask. M is for mouse. M is for mop. Mop. M is for mirror. We can see ourselves in the mirror. Can you go get a mirror and look at it, and then you're gonna see yourself? Mirror. Map, where we can find our country on the map. Milk. Milk. Who wants to drink milk? And where can we get the milk from? Do you remember? We take the milk from the cow. And what's the color of the milk? It's white. Monkey. Monkey. Do you know the song of 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Go and sing it and say the 5 monkeys. Okay, M is for mouse. Mouse. M is for meal. We can eat a meal. The lunch, we can say it's a meal. M is for marshmallow. Today's lesson is finished. See you next time. Bye.